Hey, this is Jason Moss of the Georgia Manufacturing Alliance. Have you ever heard of the saying that you need to dig your well before you're thirsty? When we founded the Georgia Manufacturing Alliance back in 2008, we found that there was a lot of challenges in the economy. And of course, I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you what's going to be coming down the pipe. But it does make sense to make sure that you build your network and connections in the industry before you really need those. And we have decided that we're going to have a great membership campaign and grow the membership in GMA throughout the balance of the year. To be quite candid, we hadn't really pushed hard on membership since the outbreak of COVID. We had to just respond to our customers and make sure that we serve the membership. But now we've decided that it is a time for growth. And we encourage you to help us in that space and invite other manufacturers to get involved in GMA. Now, we have paused all non-manufacturing membership probably through the end of the year, but right now we're not accepting any new members that are not manufacturers. So it's a great opportunity for you to get back involved in GMA. We got our schedule laid out pretty much through the end of the year. We're committed to provide the following. We're going to provide one plant tour, 2 networking events, and an educational session each month. Now, many of the educational sessions are going to be, they'll have continuing education attached to them. We're going to reach out to some of our friends that have got SHRM qualified training. And Laura Majewski is actually going to be presenting a session that's going to be continuing ed for CPAs. The next 2 events that we've got scheduled, the first one on leadership does not have continuing ed, but the content is just phenomenal. Bo Groover from the Effective Syndicate has got a powerful training coming up. And also, one of our favorites, Greg Burkhalter, is going to be doing a training for us on LinkedIn in September. So our schedule, it's all online. Everything that we've got laid out. We're going to be touring Albaform this month. Next month, we're going to be going to Grenzebach. And the following month, we're going to be doing Krayberg Plastics. So that's for the next 3 factory tours that we've got lined up. Education's lined up, and our networking events are as well. And we should have the balance of the year flushed out within the next week or so. We're doing our finalizing the details on the balance of the tour. So what I'm saying now is if you're interested in getting engaged in or getting re-engaged in GMA, now's the time. If you've been engaged through the coronavirus, we're glad that you have been here through and supported us through the crazy times. And we're here to help support and grow manufacturing throughout the state of Georgia and committed to your success. Go online and register right now at georgiamanufacturing.com. Go under the upcoming events tab. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 770-338-0051. We're here and we're committed to your success. We look forward to seeing you at upcoming events.